Okay, everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. You're going to hear my voice a little bit, but we're going to look at two different wire strippers. We've got the Vevor right here. I bought this on eBay. It's an electric wire stripper. It's got a gear reduced drive on it. And then I bought this Stripmeister, also on eBay. And it is a non-powered unit, so you have to put a drill on it. So I'm going to kind of compare these two and kind of let you know what I think of them. So just looking, preliminarily, the Stripmeister is made out of metal of some sort. I'm sure it's aluminum. So the Stripmeister is made out of, looks like aluminum. It's got slots for different size cables. So you can see it's got a long slot here for flat cable. Today we're going to try to strip two similar size pieces of cable and see how they turn out. And then both strippers have a gear wheel in there and a cutter wheel that is adjusted manually. This one operates under a drill. Looking at the Vevor, you'll see that it's only got the three. They're round. This does work very well for a cable. This is all plastic, every bit of it. In fact, I've actually already taken this apart and had to shim inside because there's so much side-to-side slop on that the yoke. So this is basically the same as the Stripmeister in the way it functions. Except this requires an Allen key to adjust, and then those require an Allen key to take off, and I've already lost the Allen key, so it didn't take long. So as far as noise-wise, the Vevor is going to be as loud as the gear motor. It's rather quiet, steady. The Stripmeister is going to be as loud as my drill, which is going to be a Makita today. So first things first, I'm going to get them both set up and run each strip of cable through each one and see how they turn out. Okay, like I said, we're going to start with the Stripmeister. I'm going to go ahead and get it adjusted. Now, this being a flat wire, it goes in through the flat wire slot. So that'll lock that in place. Okay. Clamp down well enough. Okay. So you can see the hardest part is just getting it set up. But it's already stripped off that outer layer of wire. So, okay, so like I was saying, there's no flat one on this one, so we'll just have to use the big one. are 2 holes on this one. Okay, so this one rolled off to the side before it could actually cut. So you have to work a little bit to get this one to cut straight. Okay, so it didn't end up cutting it at all, but it did loosen the bindings up so that I could just pull the wire straight out. Alright, so there's an obvious degree of difficulty higher on this one to get started with. So now working towards stripping the smaller ones, we'll have to readjust.
So we'll try this one first.
Okay, so it's just rolling around the blade, like I was saying, and it's just making a mess of it. But it does loosen it up enough, you can just pull the sheath off.
Okay, I gave it stay on the cut. So just run it through until it's got the sheath tore up enough, I'll just pull it right off.
Okay, so the Stripmeister did the same. It's not cutting the sheath deep enough to remove easily. So I guess my conclusion on this is you should definitely do this on bigger wire. This isn't going to work out on the small stuff. Okay, so found some bigger wire. This should do us good. Okay, so first thing we have to do is strip this outside part. And as you see, this Vevor isn't big enough for that. You can't even put your pinky in there. You can get your whole thumb in this one. We'll go ahead and try it with this one. Okay. So, pretty well got that on a quick pass. Sheath is off. So we've got 2 wires per side to try. And then get rid of that insulation. Okay. So, we'll go ahead and try to strip these bigger wires. That was easy. So what do we have there? 30 seconds, including setup time. All right, run the second one through there. For an illustrative example here, you can see the wire size difference. It wouldn't strip this, but it stripped this really easy, suggesting this might be roughly the minimum wire size. This is standard household wiring right here. Okay. Give the old Vevor the old college try. Let's see, it doesn't want it. That one, so. Okay, so again, it just kind of rolls this round wire. So, put the zipper back through here. And then here's the last piece. It just peels right out of there. So we probably did a pound of wire in realistically a minute, and then using both machines on this smaller wire, maybe a third of a pound in 10 minutes. So conclusion wise, the Vevor, it has too much wobble in here. In fact, I'll show you. Okay, so this machine is unplugged. You definitely don't want to be reaching into one of these while they're powered. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but there's an incredible amount of play in this yoke side to side, because this is just all plastic. All this framework is plastic. I've actually taken that all the way apart and put stainless steel shims in the sides, and I've gotten it tightened up quite a bit, but there's let me see. So I think you can see that. There's quite a bit of play in there, and that allows that wire to roll side to side. This doesn't go up big enough for a heavy wire, and it's not easily adjustable because you have to have the tool, and it doesn't have a provision for the flat wire, the household wire. Now this machine is nearly all aluminum construction, easily adjustable. The tooth wheel in there is actually of finer quality than the other one, and there is no side-to-side sway in there. This is definitely the superior piece. It would be nice if this was actually on a gear-reduced motor, but this also was quite a bit cheaper than that other one. I believe I paid $85 for this, or no, I paid $110 for this and $150 for the Vevor. So my conclusion is the Stripmeister is the better machine, but neither one of them will help you strip small wire. All right. So anywho, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.